In this video, we will learn how to draw a postsynaptic potential in Adobe Illustrator. So I've already started with an action potential. Please refer to that video if you want to know how to draw the action potential. But here we're going to focus on just the postsynaptic potential. So we're going to click on the line neuron. Now if you don't see these two columns of tools, go up to Window and go to Toolbars and click Advanced. Okay, also, if you don't see this control toolbar up top, go to Window and then click on this control toolbar. It's really important that you have this. Okay, so I'm going to click over to this line segment tool. I'm going to go just below this, this line here, and you should see a little purple vertical line that pops up. That shows that you're aligned with this point. Okay, click and hold with your left mouse button. Then hold the shift key and go all the way over until you line up with this point right here. You can actually bring your cursor all the way up here if you're holding on your mouse button and your shift button. You go all the way up here, all the way up to this anchor point, and then release the mouse button, then release the shift key. Okay, so now that's your membrane potential trace there. Now we want to add the PSP. So I'm going to click on the pen tool. And I'm going to go right below this action potential. So you're just going right aligned with this this action potential. I want you to click right here, okay? And then I want you to click again just a little bit further, maybe right where this is peaking, okay, roughly. Click again, and that will be fine. Now I want you to click the direct selection tool. And I want you to select all these three data points here. Okay, so these last three data points. Convert to smooth. Okay, don't worry what's going on here. We're let's just click on that and turn. Select on this handle with your left mouse button, and turn and hold the shift key and flatten that out. Okay. Now click on this anchor point, the second anchor point that you made, and click the upward, hold the shift key and click up. Okay, starting to look like a PSP. Now I want you to take this handle here and just lengthen it just a little bit, but holding the shift key. So just something about like that. Okay, a little subjective here, so you're gonna have to kind of get artistic. I don't have specific dimensions to give you. I'm going to bring this in here, hold in the shift key, make it the same. You want to make these 2 points roughly the same length, okay? Now I want you to take this handle, hold the shift key, and move it in until you get a nice curve. So you want it to kind of go up, and then curve down, okay? And there you go. That looks like a pretty good excitatory postsynaptic potential. And if you want to make an inhibitory input, it's really easy. Just click on this, right click. Okay? So you click with your left mouse button, then right click on the object, go down to transform, and then reflect, and then make sure you reflect along the horizontal axis, and then click OK. And that is how you draw a postsynaptic potential in Adobe Illustrator.